Greetings! Today we will solve the Pico CTF challenge, Secret of the Polyglot. After downloading the file, save it to a preferred folder. In order to fully evaluate the downloaded file, I will create a directory called Pico and save it there. Now I will check the file type. Although the file has the extension PDF, it seems to be a PNG file when the file type is checked. In order to give it a closer look, I will be converting the file from PDF to PNG. The exiftool can now be used to check the converted PNG file. Examining the exiftool results, we can see a warning, minor, trailer data after PNG IEND chunk. This signifies that a file is embedded after the IEND chunk in the PNG file. Thus, we'll use a hex editor to examine the PNG file and look for the IEND chunk. There may also be a PDF file because there is a PDF chunk directly below the IEND chunk. We will now save a copy of the PNG file as a PDF file in order to obtain the PDF file. We currently have a PDF file and a PNG file in the Pico directory, and both of them have a portion of the flag divided into two halves. I'll retrieve the text from the PDF file using pdftotext tool. View the text using cat command. Here we got our second half of the flag. Now let's join the portions of the flag in a text editor. The first portion of the flag I will type manually. Now join both the portions together to get the flag. Submit the flag to complete the challenge.